Welcome to Let Us Learn.
Today we explore on how to make your resume ATS compliant.
Looking for your dream job can be a daunting task, especially when you're competing with hundreds of other applicants. But what if we told you there's a way to make your resume stand out from the crowd? By optimizing your resume for ATS compliance, you can increase your chances of getting noticed by recruiters and land that coveted interview. In this video, we'll show you step by step on exactly how to make your resume ATS compliant. So sit back, grab a notebook, and get ready to take your job search to the next level. In today's job market, it's not enough to simply have a well-written resume. Many companies use Applicant Tracking Systems (ATS) to filter through resumes before they even reach a human recruiter. To increase your chances of getting noticed, it's crucial to make sure your resume is ATS compliant. An Applicant Tracking System (ATS) checker scans your resume for specific keywords and phrases related to the job posting. The ATS then scores your resume based on how well it matches the job requirements, and only the top-scoring resumes make it to the recruiter's desk. To optimize your resume in order to filter through to the next stage of recruitment, consider revamping the following key area of your resume.
Number 1. Word count.
This is the number of words found in your resume. Try to keep it between 400 and 800 words. Generally, over 800 words is considered too long a resume, and less than 400 words is too short or empty.
Number 2. File size.
The common file size limit for website uploads is under 2 MB. If your resume is too large, it may not be properly parsed by the ATS checker, which could result in important information being missed or your resume being rejected altogether. It's important to ensure that your resume is formatted correctly and avoiding any unnecessary graphics or images that could cause parsing errors.
Number 3. File type.
Always submit your resume in PDF format. Modern ATS checkers can read PDF well. It is the recommended format and will cause the least problems when your resume is read and evaluated by the machine.
Number 4. Contact data.
It is important to include your email address or phone number in your resume so that potential employers will be able to contact you easily. Make sure you didn't misspell them and that they are in the header section of your resume. Avoid including date of birth, marital status, age, religion, etc.
Number 5. File name.
It is a good practice to have your first and last name in the file name of your resume. Generic file names can be marked as suspicious. Adding your name ensures your resume will be found easy and assigned to the right application.
Number 6. Include LinkedIn, website, or portfolio.
With a hyperlink to your LinkedIn profile or portfolio, you'll be able to share additional information about yourself with potential employers that will otherwise be too much for your resume. Make sure it's in the header section of your resume.
Number 7. Required sections.
It's important to include the following required sections: summary section, experience section, education section, and skills section in your resume. Ensure that they are properly formatted and every single element is clearly outlined, such as degree, institution, education dates, company names, job titles, employment dates, bullets with responsibilities, achievements, and skills.
Number 8. Your skills.
To have your skills throughout your resume, in your summary, job bullet points, or as a separate section, is an integral part of targeting your resume to the job description. This will help you show your potential employers you're capable of doing the job. When listing your responsibilities, achievements, and skills, consider starting your bullets with the following words. For responsibilities, start your bullets with words such as managed, led, coordinated, oversaw, created, developed, implemented, analyzed, trained. For achievements, start your bullets with words such as increased, improved, achieved, generated, implemented, reduced, streamlined, innovated, awarded, recognized. For skills, start your bullets with words such as proficient in, experienced in, skilled at, knowledgeable in, familiar with, strong in, proficient with, experienced at, trained in, certified in.
Number 9. Page count.
It's important to nail the right resume length. More than 2 pages and the recruiter won't read through your resume, whereas if it's too short, it will undersell you.
Number 10. Design.
While a normal, black and white resume design can work, but a better visual style of your resume will ensure you get a leg ahead of the competition, all other things being equal. Consider a modern 21st century format that will guarantee you stand out in the recruitment process. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned a thing or two. Please subscribe to this channel for more such content.